guys, and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to scan and save as PDF file a document with Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So here I have a Galaxy S25 Ultra, and here I have a page, and I want to scan with this phone. To do it, it is very easy. For that you need to go to the camera app. Here there is. And first you need to go to settings. To do that, just tap here on this little icon, and here we have the gear settings icon. Tap on it, and here we have scan documents and text. This feature needs to be enabled. Also, if you tap on it, here we have another features. You can enable auto scan, and also you can enable or disable remove unwanted objects when you scan a text, like a finger, for example. Okay, so I will enable auto scan, and now I will go back, and to scan this document, just put your phone over the page like this. And as you can see, auto scan it's working. And now just tap here on scan, and here we have some options. You can rotate the scan. Also, if you don't like it, you can retake, or you can move and resize the edges. Okay, then when it's over, just tap save. And the document was saved in your gallery, and here there is. Okay, and now to save it as a PDF file, just tap here on these three dots, and here we have print. Tap on it, and here we have save as a PDF. Okay, and here it's a yellow circle, just and it's written PDF, and we have a download arrow. Tap on it, and now just select the folder when you want to save your file. I will choose documents, and now just tap done, and that's all. And now let's go to the documents file. For that, I will go here, and here is my files. And here I have documents. And here is my scan saved as a PDF file. You can open with Drive or with Samsung Notes. Select just once or always. And here is the PDF file, and from here you can share it or print it. Okay, so this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.